XB Marketing here with another video, and if you are new to the channel, I make videos about how to make money online with CPA marketing and affiliate marketing. And if you like this type of content, then you want to make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos that you can learn a lot from. All right, and you want to also make sure you check out the course in the description below if you are serious about making money online. It doesn't matter if you are a newbie or if you have been making money online before, you will literally have everything on your fingertip with this course. All right, so without wasting any more time, let's jump right into today's video. And now I am going to be showing you in this video how to use the auto niche to make a lot of money with CPA marketing. So the first thing you want to do, you want to head over to Google right here and you want to type in how to be. So what you are going to do from here, the purpose of this is to let Google show you some keywords that you can target as well. All right, as you can see right here, the first one here says how to be beautiful. The following says how to be bold, and as you can see, there are other keywords right here that you can target. Okay, so first of all, I want to show you how to find more keywords. All right, so the next thing you can do is you can just take out this B and you can replace it with C. All right, so you can see you are going to get more keywords as well. So if I take out this C and change it to D, you can see we are having a lot of keywords again. So if I change it to maybe E, you can see right here. So this is how you can, find more keywords with the method I am about to show you. So I just wanted to show you how to find numerous keywords with this method. Okay, so I'm going to be taking the first one as an example, which is C. So I'm going to be taking how to be confident as an example. So if I click on that, as you can see right here, you are going to see that there are a lot of search results right here on Google. So if we take this one as an example, which says 8 ways to trick yourself into feeling confident even when you are not. And you can see this is the first tip here, this is the second, okay, and this is the third up to the 8th. So if I click on this link right here, all right, so if I scroll down, all right, this is the first tip right here. Okay, so what we are going to do from here, we are just going to copy this, okay, down to the last tip. So once you've successfully copied that, then you want to head over to this website, justpasteit.com. okay, so once you come over to this website, then you want to paste in that article in there. As you can see, we are able to copy everything, including the images from that website. All right, so basically you can just come over here and name this as number 1. So I'm just going to name all these tips and I'll be right back. All right, so I have given all the tips a number. As you can see right here, the first one is think about the days you did feel confident, and the second one goes by adjust your posture. As you can see, we have an image to illustrate that, and the third one says repeat a positive affirmation, and the fourth one, refuse to talk negatively about yourself, and the fifth one, learn how to accept criticism, and the sixth one says practice different breathing patterns, and the seventh says wear something that makes you feel good, and the last one says let yourself have bad days sometime. All right, as you can see here, this is the complete article on the website. So what you are going to do from here, the next thing you want to do is you want to go back to the website and we want to grab the title of this article, and you want to grab it here and then you want to paste it right here. All right, so the second thing you want to do now, once you've copied this whole article, you want to come to the bottom of this page and you want to type in source. Okay, so the next thing you want to do from here, you want to make a content locker. All right, you want to head over to your Cpagrip account or OG Ads account, whichever one you are using, and keep in mind you want to use a URL file locker. So you want to change it to a URL file locker if you are on Cpagrip, or if you're on OG Ads, you can use content locker. All right, so what you want to do from here, you just want to give it a name, confidence. Okay, so once you've done that, then you want to click on this auto show offers. All right, so you want to make sure once they click on the link, a content locker pops up right away. All right, so you want to type in something like complete an offer below to access this content. So now here is the juicy part. You are going to content log something that those whoever come to this page will be interested in. So I can't stress how important this is, because if you are not giving them something that is related to this article, then it doesn't make any sense for them to complete your offers to get it. So to do this, there are several ways to get content that they are going to be interested in. So the first one is by going to PLR. Okay, so if you go to plr.com, you can see right here there are a lot of free articles on plr.com that you can just copy. So if we take this one as an example, so literally you can just copy this article and you can turn it to a PDF. So once you grab the whole of this article right here, you can come to a website right here where you can just basically convert the old text to a PDF. So you can come over to any of these websites right here to host the text you just converted. Okay, so once you do that, then you can just paste in the link right here. So for this example, I'm just going to be using this link right here as an example. Okay, so once you've gotten the link to the article, so basically all you just need to do is paste it in here and you want to click on save. Or if you don't want to use PLR article, you can just basically come over to IDPLR. All right, so once you go to idplr.com, you want to also look for articles that are related to whatever you are hosting on this platform. Okay, so once you come over to IDPLR, you can basically type in confidence and search for that. If you scroll down a bit, you can see right here there are a lot of PLR products that you can use. You can see this one right here says speak with confidence. So all you just basically need to do is you want to click on this. So once you click on this right here, you can just basically copy this link right here and you can paste it in Cpagrip like this. Okay, so all you just need to do is complete your CPA offer and they will be redirected to download this PLR product. Or you can just download the PLR product yourself, and like I said, you can host it on any of these file sharing websites and grab the link and just paste it in your Cpagrip account. So basically that is all you need to do to create a content locker. All right, so once you're done, all you just need to do is click on save. All right, so once you're done, you want to come over to the top. So you want to basically come over to the top of this article right here and you want to type in something simple like grab a copy of this fail-proof confidence building system for free, and you can bold that. Okay, and also as usual you can give it a good color so that it stands out. As you can see, it's in red, so it's clearly seen by anyone who is reading this article right here. So once you've done that, then you want to add in a link. So this is where you are going to be pasting your content locker link from whatever CPA network you're using. Okay, and then you want to click on save. So once you do that, you can just basically copy this link and scatter it across this article. You can paste another one right here. All right, and then you can paste the last one towards the end of the page, so maybe at the bottom. All right, so basically once you've done this, that is all you need to do. You are ready to start driving traffic to this page. Okay, and for those who don't know what this page is about, so basically this website allows you to host any text or any image for absolutely free. So once you've done this, all you just need to do is publish this page. You have an option to customize this page to any name you want, something like confidence. Okay, as you can see, that is available. So once you click on publish, as you can see, it's going to ask you to complete a captcha. So I'm just going to complete this captcha. All right, so as you can see, the page has been published. So what you want to do from here, all right, you want to grab the link of this page. So let me just go to the top right here. So to grab this link, you want to come to this three dots right here. So if you click on that, you can see right here, just paste it.it/confidence, as you can see right here. So all I just need to do is copy this link. Okay, so if I click on this copy, all right, and then I open a new tab. So let me open an incognito tab and I paste this link right here. As you can see, it's going to take us to this page where they can read this article. All right, as you can see, everything remains the same, it's intact. So if anyone clicks on this link right here, all right, so if they decide to click on this link right here, as you can see, it's going to take them to a content locker. All right, so you can see complete a survey below to continue, or whatever you want you can write here. Okay, so if you are hosting a file for them to download, maybe a PDF or a doc file, then they have to click on this begin download. So once they complete an offer, you will make money and they will get access to download the content. So basically, you can see right here, it's also going to show you how many people has visited your page right here. All right, so you can also save it as a PDF if you want as well, so it's up to you. So basically, this is the link you are going to be sharing. As you can see right here, we have an SSL certificate as well. As you can see right here, the website has a secure connection, so everything looks good. All right, so the next thing to do now is to drive traffic to this website. So basically, all you just need to do, so you basically want to go over to Facebook and type in how to be confident. Okay, so you can see there are a lot of groups that you can join right here. This one has almost 9,000 members in this group. So basically, if you scroll down, you can see a lot of smaller groups as well that you can join. You can see this one has 1.8, this one has 2.2. So basically, there are a lot of groups that you can join in this niche. So basically, all you just need to do is join any of this group and you can start sharing the link to this article. Okay, so you can start sharing the link to this and you can talk about how this website helped you to get confidence. Okay, so basically, you can just write something simple and you can leave a link to this article right here. And once they go to this article, as you can see, this is our content local link right here. So we know for a fact that anyone who is reading this article is going to be interested in building their confidence. So if they click on this and they get to your content locker, if they complete your offers, you'll make money and they get the article they came for. Okay, so you can come over to YouTube as well and type in how to be confident. So once you do that, you want to go over to the filter section and you want to look for new videos. All right, so you can come to maybe this week and you can click on this video right here. All right, this video is made recently, so if you click on this video, you can just basically go over to the comment section and you can leave a link to this article right here. As you can see right here, there are not so many comments on this video, so your comment is not going to get buried. So all you just need to do is leave a simple comment talking about how this tips here has helped you gain confidence. All right, so that is the second traffic source that you can use. Basically, you can also go over to Twitter as well and you can make a tweet. All right, and you can use hashtags related to confidence. All right, so if you come over to this website right here that says writetag.com, all you just need to do is type in confidence. So once you type in confidence right here, as you can see, these are a lot of hashtags that are related to confidence. So all you just need to do is copy this hashtag and you want to make a tweet including this link right here. All right, so basically those are the three major traffic sources that you can use to start driving traffic to your content locker. And I hope you find some value in this video, and if you do, please leave a like on this video. I do appreciate it. And if you have any question at all, drop them down in the comment section below and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.